Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the GW55 smartwatch. And this smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces. So this time we are going to explore more about this feature. Okay, so we are going to check on the available watch faces here in the smartwatch. And of course, available watch faces on the support app. So we have here the support app, the LiveFit. So we are going to check on the watch face section. So we have a dial settings here. We are going to check on that. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, especially the available watch faces, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, let's start and let's check on the preloaded watch faces here on the GW55. We have at least, let's count. Let's start with this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have at least 11 watch faces preloaded to the smartwatch. So meaning we do have a big memory for the smartwatch. Okay, let's check on the support app and let's download additional watch faces for the smartwatch. So we have here again, the support app is LiveFit. So let's open the application. Here on the equipment, as you can see here, we have the dial settings. So let's tap on the dial settings. So we have here two sections, recommend and custom. Okay, so let's wait for the watch faces to load. So these are familiar watch faces. How many watch faces do we have? Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, seems like we do have a comprehensive list of watch faces. Let's wait for it to load. It's a bit slow, but let's wait. Okay, there are some analog watch faces, animated watch faces. There are some familiar watch faces here, familiar design, cartoon like. So this is a pretty popular watch face that is usually loaded to a Watch Ultra clone. So let's check. We have some LGBT here. Seems like we do have a good collection of watch faces for our GW55. You can see here, it keeps going and going. So let's wait. Still loading. Okay, it's still loading. Let's see. Okay, finish downloading. Not yet. Okay, I guess we are done. Okay, so we have some comprehensive list of watch faces for our smartwatch. I like this style. Okay, again, let's check. Okay, I'm gonna scroll it slowly so you can see the different design of watch faces for the smartwatch. We'll try to download this later on. Okay, so we have different types: analog, simple design, minimalist design, dynamic. We also have, as you can see here, we have some details for the steps, heart rate, as well as battery life. Okay, let's go back. we are going to download this one, Hello Summer. So tap on install. So let's wait if this thing will switch. It's now installing. File transfer, as you can see here. Okay, our smartwatch switch to download mode. Okay, installing 12%, 14. Okay, we are almost done here. We are on 90%. Let's wait. And we are done, or we have successfully downloaded a watch face. As you can see here, very slim black border for the smartwatch. Nice. Okay, so far no issues. It is a bit slow, but it's okay. Okay, average speed. So we have here a custom watch face. So let's try and install a custom watch face. Local picture. So let's pick. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. Okay, then check. So we have here the design. Can we change the dial style? Style to, what is style to? Okay, style 3 and 4. How about the 4? Okay, so the location of the time is here on the bottom part. Okay, so let's try and install this one. Okay, install. Again, this is a custom watch face. Hopefully this will be much faster than downloading the usual watch faces. So we are on 30%. Let's see. I guess we are on 50%. So let's wait. Almost finished. And we are done. Okay, so here is our custom watch face for our GW55 smartwatch. Let's see if we still have the previous watch face. Yes, we still have our downloaded watch face, as you can see here. Nice. Okay, so we have a big memory for watch faces for the smartwatch. So what do you think? Does it look good? Again, this is our GW55 smartwatch, and here are the list of watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo for the watch faces for the GW55 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.